I have made over 2.5 million trading meme coins, catching 100x early and dodging rocks and executing in milliseconds, all with a free tool called Axiom Pro. In this video I'm giving you my full setup, filters, trader trackers, wallet tracking and everything I used to stay ahead. By the end of this video you will know exactly how to spot winning coins, avoid scams and trade like an insider. This tool is your shot to level up and trade like a millionaire. Let's get into it. What is Axiom and why is it such a game changer? It's an all-in-one trading platform designed specifically for Solana meme coins. Think of it like a trading platform but way faster, smoother and loaded with futures for meme coin trading. It got everything you need like a trader tracker, wallet trackers, live alerts, bundle tracking, real-time profit and losses and a free rebate system. Without it, you're basically trading blind. To set up Axiom, grab a referral code to access it by hitting the link in the description and using the code ZZZCrypto. It will take you straight to the sign up page. This code not only gets you in, but it also reduces your trading fees by 10%. The cheapest option for trading on Axiom right now. Once you're there, sign up with your Gmail or Phantom wallet and you're good to go. Axiom gives you a 12-word recovery phrase as soon as you signed in. You have to write it down and keep it offline, safe and secure. It's your only way to recover your wallet. Now let's jump in. To fund your Axiom, click the top right corner, copy your Solana address and send your Solana there. You're set to trade. Let's kick things off with the Pulse step. This is the most crucial part of Axiom, where I spend most of my time. It's where every new meme coin pops up in real time. But without filters, it's a total mess. Trash and spam coins are flooding the screen. So here's how to clean it up. Go to filters on new pairs and set the minimum liquidity to 6,000 and the minimum volume to 8,000. You don't need to overcomplicate things, so I'm going to apply and as you can see it's a lot more controlled. Now when you check out these coins on Pulse you will see the little symbols under them, super important for spotting winners. Let me break them down. First up, the top 10 holder symbol. This shows the percentage of the coin supply held by the top 10 wallets. The lower this number the better, because it means healthy distribution. And that means no single person controls the coin. You don't want a few big players owning most of the coin, or it can be super risky. They can dump the entire price in 1 second. So next up we got the little chef hat symbol. This shows the dev holding, or how much of the coin supply the developer controls. The developer is the one who made the coin, so this matters. Usually if it's under 5% you're good. Higher than that it can be super risky. It depends a bit on the coin's narrative though. If you see a dev sold on the chef hat, it means the dev has sold the supply, which can be a good or bad thing, depending on the coin story. Tech coins, for example, need the dev to hold and build, but for a meme coin like a cat token, it's not a biggie if they sell, it can be good. So next up we got the sniper holding symbol. It shows the percentage of the coin's supply grabbed on the first few seconds the coin was created. High sniper percentage is usually bad, often the bots or dev wallets secretly bought more tokens. I avoid these coins most of the time. The Go symbol shows the percentage of the coin supply held by the insiders. Wallets that got tokens from the dev wallet usually skip coins with high insider holdings unless it fits the narrative. For example, if Andrew Tate posts his wallet on X and gets sent 20% of a coin supply, that's often a good thing. He won't dump quickly since it trashes his reputation and it draws big attention to the coin. So you don't always want to ignore coins with high insider holdings. Next up, the bundle holding symbol shows the percentage of the coin supply bought up by one person using multiple wallets to hide their moves. It's super bearish. High bundle percentage usually means manipulation, so avoid these coins. If you spot a paid logo, like right here, it means the coin got a deck screener ad, a paid promo to grab more attention. This is usually a great sign, showing that the dev is putting in money behind the coin to get noticed on one of the biggest crypto platforms, deck screener. Alright, so now let's talk about the logos on Pulse. They are your fast track to researching coins. Click the Twitter logo to hit the coin's Twitter page. But watch out, an orange Twitter logo means the account username has been changed. It's usually a scam signal, so skip those. The globe logo links to the coin website and this logo jumps to its fund page. These make researching coins super quick and easy. And next up, the magnifying glass, right here. It instantly looks up the coins on Twitter so you can see who is talking about it and do research as fast as possible. Pulse splits into 3 columns. New pairs, final stretch and migrated. I mostly focus on new pairs. That's where fresh coins drop first, giving you the earliest shot at winners. Once a coin hit a certain market cap, it moves to final stretch, meaning it's close to bonding. Then at a higher market cap, it shifts to migrated, usually around 80k market cap. Axiom sort this all out for you, making it super easy to track and trade without the chaos. I mostly stick to new pairs for fresh coins, but when I spot high volume coins or ones getting crazy attention, I'll jump on just migrated coins. They can 2x in seconds or even more. Another pro tip for me is check the fees a coin paid on Axiom. For higher market cap coins, fees should be decently high. If they are low, like this one, it's likely a scam token and you should stay away. Meme coins are all about monetized attention. If you know it's gonna blow up in the real world, it will likely pop up as a meme coin. Exploded, which just exploded recently. Now let's hit the Twitter tracker. It's a goldmine. I've made 100 of thousands of coins just from tweets. And this too make it super simple to catch them. Click the Twitter tracker at the bottom, then hit add Twitter, handles to pull up a monitor on the right. Click top subscriptions for a list of big crypto Twitter accounts. For example, Elon Musk tweets have been pumping coins since day one. Search for Elon, add his handle, and you're set to get alerts for his post. Now I can open up the Twitter tracker, drag it to the left and keep it up while I'm trading, all in one screen. When Elon drops a tweet that screams meme coin potential, it'll spot it instantly and snipe the coin as it hit new pairs. This gives you live alerts for big tweets, real-time trend spotting and a direct link to hot new tokens. It's all about timing, not just hype. Do you want exclusive alpha, like my boat kit call, where we call them 120x on a TikTok trend? Join my Discord community, the link is in the description. Now let's check out Axiom's wallet tracker. Head to the bottom, click the wallet tracker, and it pops up right here. Click add wallet, paste any wallet you want, label it like, for example, Gake, who has been killing it in crypto right now, and get live alerts for every buy or sell he makes. If you're moving from another bot, Axiom lets you mass import all your tracked wallets easily. But heads up, don't just copy trade. It's a fast way to lose your entire portfolio. If you want my exclusive list of top wallets I've tracked and collect for the last 2 years, join my Discord community. The link is in the description and download it. You can add it straight into Axiom. So use the wallet tracker to stay on top of what's hot. Track wallets to see what's getting attention, check if the narrative is solid and then decide if it's worth buying. Don't just follow blindly. Plus, to dig into a wallet stats, go to portfolio, click the wallet at the top right and get the full breakdown to see if it's worth following someone. Speed is everything in meme coins, and Axiom is the fastest bot out there, thanks to its own RPC. To nail your trades, here's my setup. Go to pills, hit the gear button, set slippage to 25%. Meme coins volatility demands it to get filled, and then set priority fee to around 0.03. Lastly, flip on MEV reduction. It stops bots from jumping your trades and stealing your profits. This setup keeps your trades fast, secure, so you're always one step ahead. The last thing you want to change is your quick buy, which is right here on the top right, and that's going to let you instantly buy a coin from the pulse section. And of course you can adjust this to your portfolio. Now that you're ready to trade, let's talk about Axiom's killer fee rebate system. It's a total game changer. Unlike other bots that just steal your capital with every trade, Axiom pays you back. Every buy or sell you gives you a small rebate in Solana, automatically dropped into your reward section. It's like a free money for trading and it adds up fast. That rebate system alone makes Axiom a must-use bot. But listen, a great platform doesn't guarantee profits. Smart risk management does. My go-to, I use multiple wallets. I trade with just 10 SOL in my main wallet. When profits push it over to 50 Solana, I move the extra into a separate wallet. This caps my risk big time. Make it a habit to never redeposit into your trading wallet. Those 10 SOL are enough to make you a lot of money, and you can tweak that amount for your own setup. Now you've got the full playbook to crush it into meme coins with Axiom, but free tips aren't always enough. If you want to join my Discord community, where we are changing lives every day with real-time calls and alpha, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.